Here we go! हाँ जी एंड वेलकम बैक। मेरे साथ एज यूजुअल बैराम काजी बैठा हुआ है और हम आपकी स्क्रीनों पे वापस आ गए हैं टू डिस्कस द थर्ड एशेस टेस्ट। खत्म सीरीज। 11 days it took Australia to win the Ashes and to England to just fuck it up.
Yeah, I mean, Ashes हो गई हैं बेसबॉल
Ashes
की।
खत्म।
Ashes to Ashes भी हो गई हैं और Asses to Asses भी हो गई
Ashes
हैं।
to Ashes तो हुई हुई है
Yeah,
bro।
खतरनाक किस्म की हुई हुई हैं। Look,
छत के साथ लगी हुई है Ashes इस वक्त।
England fought back admirably in the fourth innings. You know, they were
अच्छा,
bowled
चलो,
out.
ठीक है।
Yeah, they were bowled out for 352 on day 5. Australia won the Adelaide Test by 82 runs and now they have an unassailable 3-0 lead
Yeah.
in the Ashes. जो कि, as Saad said, 11 दिन में मुक गई है, 11 days and done.
Yes sir।
How to lose in Ashes in 11 days?
Crawley ने तो बोला if he managed to make it 3-2 तो अच्छा रिजल्ट हो जाएगा।
Yeah. वैसे पता नहीं क्या ही mindset है. I can't quite understand it.
I hate this mindset.
I also hate the mindset that English cricket makes their entire test setup all about the Ashes.
And
Yeah.
फिर ये performance
They only ever talk about the Ashes when they're talking about test cricket. They build towards it. They retire Jimmy Anderson for the Ashes.
अच्छा एक डिस्क्लेमर दे दूं मैं। अगर आप लोगों ने पिछले 2 एशेस टेस्ट के रिव्यूज देखे हैं तो थर्ड में काफी ज्यादा रेपिटेशन होगी।
बहुत ज़्यादा repetition.
वही बातें करेंगे हम कि ये क्या है।
The one guy I don't want to spend any breath on is Ollie Pope. ठीक है?
And you did।
Yeah. पहले से बता रहा हूँ तुझे.
कड्डो यार क्या कर रहे हो?
Don't talk to me about Ollie Pope at all in this one. ठीक है? बाकी how disappointed has Ben Duckett been?
Yeah, very।
He's scored 97 runs in 6 innings. He's averaging 16 with the bat. और
Poor।
भाई 4 minutes में lunch है. You have to survive 2 overs. Nicks off to Patty Cummins. Don't play at that ball. क्यों नहीं leave? क्यों नहीं होती Ben Duckett से?
Brain dead।
And he was
The entire
leaving the
team।
ball shadow batting when he was walking off.
Yeah।
Which was even more hilarious. But look, end of the day, Australia have bowled better than England. They have batted better than England. They have fielded better than England. They have caught better than England. They have thought better than England. And what Australia have shown us is that injuries, no problem. We don't even have a stable batting order. We will problem solve on the go and we will nail down the execution because we prepared for the series the way it should have been prepared for.
Australia were exceptional or was it England's fault?
I want to give Australia some credit for playing phenomenal cricket as well.
They were good।
Adaptability on point.
They were good।
Problem solving कुत्ती किस्म की यार. Hazelwood has not featured in this Ashes series.
But did England make it easier for them?
Oh, of course they did.
बस।
England played brainless cricket. We're saying rest in peace Bazball, but they didn't Bazball in this test.
in this tour।
Yeah, मतलब Australia have batted faster than them.
हाँ,
Easily.
throughout।
Yeah, और इस टेस्ट के अंदर तो इंग्लैंड प्रॉपर एंटी बैसबॉल कर रहा था, right? So look, Australia were the team which adapted well. They problem solved on the go, and full credit to them. Hazelwood hasn't featured at all.
Not at all।
Nathan Lyon was dropped for the Gabba test, and now he's out of the series.
Yeah.
ठीक है, hamstring
Hammy
उसकी
गया।
पुल हो गई, मगर देखो फील्डिंग एफर्ट देखो क्या
Hammy gone bro।
Yeah, hammy gone, मगर वो
हाँ।
commitment देख लो.
Commitment levels
And then you know Usman Khwaja still hasn't opened in this Ashes
Yes।
series, right? And
Paddy Cummins one test आगे से बाहर है।
he's barely played और वो भी मुश्किलों से ही bowling करा रहा था, मगर that was enough, more than enough, enough to get Rooty out twice, right? और I mean अब इस वाले टेस्ट में तो चलो आप कह सकते हो उनका bowling attack as close to full strength था जितना हो सकता था, because Josh Hazelwood was the only one missing.
Yeah.
But then again, Australia were the team which had to kind of figure stuff out. They had the disadvantage of injuries and not having a stable batting order. Didn't matter.
Did not matter at all। Steve Smith नहीं था इस टेस्ट में।
Yeah, Steve Smith had symptoms of vertigo. He was pissed off, by the way. सही तपा हुआ था जब वो decision लिया ना कि नहीं खिलाना. As most players are, they all want to play.
Steve Smith
But is Steve Smithiyan?
Yeah।
वो absent थी इस टेस्ट मैच में. कोई टेंशन ही नहीं हुई यार. वो कमी नहीं फील हुई वहाँ पे. और Australia are a team with holes. Don't get me wrong.
Yeah।
But the holes weren't kind of exposed by England. वो उल्टा खुद ही expose हो गए बुरे वाले.
वो उनके ज्यादा होल्स निकले।
Yeah. होल्स ही होल्स हो गए भाई. गेपिंग होल्स.
यस सर।
Yeah।
वो स्टार्ट होता है ओली पॉप से। तुमने बोला था नहीं बात करनी, मैं करूंगा।
अच्छा, तुमने जैक क्रॉली की बात की ना, how he said if this series ends up 3-2 it'll end up being a good series. Dude,
Stupid।
don't kid us. ठीक है, ये पता नहीं आप कहां से वो जीतन पटेल अगर कह रहा है कि this is someone else's narrative that this is the most important series. Brendan McCullum is on record and in September.
Yeah।
कोट कर रहा हूं मैं उसको that this is the most important series of all of our lives. तो फिर वो जीतन पटेल तक मेमो नहीं पहुंचा था.
नहीं पहुंचा था।
ठीक है, पता नहीं क्या सीन है वहां पे. इंग्लैंड डोंट हेल्प themselves when they come in front of the media.
Is Baz gone?
Not yet.
I think he's about to go।
Someone's going to go. रॉब की जा सकता है, बैज मैकलम जा सकता है. I don't think Stokesy will go.
स्टोक्सी की रिप्लेसमेंट क्या है?
नहीं है ना, यही तो बात है सारी. इंग्लैंड के पास कौन से पाइपलाइन में लोग बैठे हुए हैं?
ना पाइपलाइन में लोग हैं, ना करंट टीम में कोई कैप्टनसी टेक ओवर कर सकता है स्टोक्स से.
बॉलर्स तो है ही नहीं. मैथ्यू फिशर और सनी बेकर का नाम मत लो, मे बी मैथ्यू पॉट्स इज वन
Matthew
गाय हु
Potts
कुड
is one guy,
पोटेंशियली,
yeah.
राइट? उसके अलावा आप देखो तो स्पिनर्स है ही नहीं, जो एक था उसको खिलाया नहीं। बैश बेचारा एंड में पिच की तस्वीरें ले रहा था, या बैश, अच्छा, दे picked Bash because he was a tall guy with a high release point. He was a quick whiz pick. He was picked specifically because Australia के अंदर bounce होता है, and they haven't played him in a single test match. I'm not saying he would have made a difference. We all know that Bash isn't a finished article.
Not at all.
अगर पिक किया था, ग्रूम किया था सीरीज के लिए, तो खिला ही लो,
बस
ठीक है? नहीं, Will Jacks is your frontline spinner, a poor man, Salman Ali Agha.
हाँ.
He is a poor man,
He
Salman
is
Ali
worse
Agha.
than Salman Ali.
Awkward action, Salman Ali Agha.
Yeah.
उसकी गलती थोड़ी है कि उसको इतने ओवर दे दिए।
उसकी गलती तो
हाँ, वो अगर he's not a frontline spinner.
not at all.
ठीक है?
करीब नहीं.
These are very, very weird plans. ऊपर से England failed to understand that the surfaces in Australia have changed.
Yeah.
Grassier wickets now. सारे ऑस्ट्रेलिया के bowlers तो wobble seam करा रहे हैं।
और यहाँ पे उल्टे.
Stark तक wobble
हाँ,
seam करा रहे हैं। By the way, did you see the close-ups?
Stark, bro.
Stark का in swinger और wobble seam कुछ फर्क ही नहीं है भाई, जिस तरह उसने बॉल पकड़ी हुई है। How do you read that?
I don't know. You
Yeah.
can't.
Yeah,
You can't read it off the hand.
And you know, Scotty Boland has made a career out of bowling the wobble seam delivery. Who, Sadi, has been the best exponent of the wobble ball? The guy, not wobble bomb. The best exponent of the wobble seam delivery who made it mainstream, and everyone picked it up after that. कौन है बंदा?
Jimmy.
Yeah. Who is the one guy who could have landed the ball in the exact same area
Jimmy.
over and over again?
Jimmy.
And Jimmy was retired specifically for this Ashes. So अब
हमें ऑस्ट्रेलिया जाना है, हमें पेस चाहिए.
when you make your entire cricket about the Ashes, तो फिर तनकीद तो होगी भाई. You cannot escape the criticism. And Ben Stokes comes and says, जब उससे पूछा कि what would you have done differently as captain if you could do it all over again, he was like, called heads the first 2 times and won this one. What does that mean? You won the tosses पहले, और यहाँ पे अगर आप जीतते भी, had Australia not won the toss, I can bet my life's money on the fact that Ben Stokes would have chased.
अगर वो बैटिंग भी कर रहा होता ना फर्स्ट,
हाँ,
तो as in collapse हो जाना था.
yeah,
They
हो
couldn't
जाना
have.
था.
They could have.
Thing is कि yeah, you can't be talking about the toss over here. The toss was redundant in this game. We knew Australia would have batted first, जो Patty Cummins ने किया, and then England would have sure shot chased.
हाँ.
तो टॉस तो redundant था यार यहाँ पे.
पता नहीं ना, explanations उन्होंने देनी होती है. मुझे नहीं समझ आती. क्यों?
I feel like they're doing a disservice to all of their fans back home and the traveling fans.
Exactly.
इतना बंदा गया बेचारी 12वीं आर्मी फजूल क्रिकेट पे भी कर रही होती है cheer.
वो तो करेंगे ना.
तरस आता थोड़ा सा.
इतना भी नहीं आता मुझे.
They do deserve better than this. And I know
don't
that,
know, bro.
you know, वैसे तो everyone who was colonized by England should be supporting Australia, but I really wanted these guys to do well. I wanted the series to be competitive.
I wanted the series to be competitive.
Contest तो होता.
हमने 3-2, मैंने 4-1 बोला था, तुमने 3-2 बोला.
मैंने 2-2 बोला था.
2-2 बोला था, एक रेन आउट बोला था तुमने. मुझे तो लगता है ये 5-0 है अब.
अब तो 5-0 is on the cards.
Unless वो रेन आउट हो जाए.
खैर पैटी कमिंस की भी बात मुझे समझ नहीं आई. He was like, oh, now we've won the series, so we might, you know, go a little easy and rest some guys. Dude, it's still the World Test Championship.
ये
No test match is a dead rubber.
खैर पैटी कमिंस को तो खेल नहीं सकता.
नहीं खेल सकता. He's already confirmed that he's out of the Sydney test. Sorry, he's out of the MCG test. The Boxing Day, there's going to be no Pat Cummins, and Nathan Lyon's Ashes is over.
Yeah.
So Australia will go back to being, you know, second string.
Yeah.
And I don't think it'll matter.
It won't.
I feel like the odds of 5-0 are higher than the odds of 3-2.
Or a 3-1 or a 4-1
or a 4-1. Because at this point, तो England are mentally cooked to the point where they've given up on baseball.
नहीं, I think
Had you died by the sword that you were living by, फिर मैं थोड़ी रिस्पेक्ट कर सकता था. यहाँ पे तो यार
anti baseball, bro.
So I don't know तूने मैच कितना देखा, but I'll tell you what the conditions were like. ठीक है. First day the pitch was a bit too paced.
Yeah,
okay?
it was.
थोड़ा सा बॉल फंस रहा था. You look at the Marnus and Green dismissals, तुझे समझ आ जाएगी. ठीक है कि वो you need to get your eye in. And then there runs on offer. Bro, second day onwards it was a belter.
It was flat
deck, and it was basically a new ball surface. वैसे तो every surface is a new ball surface, but
this was especially आपको capitalize करना था new balls.
If you don't capitalize on the new ball in these conditions, you're fucked. ठीक है. England continued to not capitalize with the new ball. तो वहाँ पे गलती.
Capitalize, bro. It was filth.
Absolute filth. खैर filthy तो इस वक्त Gaza है.
Gaza.
Bowling filthy.
Yeah.
I love Alex Carey, man.
Carey.
The guy who Stuart Broad said no one will remember is the guy who is literally creating headlines.
Clutch central.
So clutch. He's averaging north of 50 this year with the bat.
Bro.
बल्कि स्पॉइलर, बट टीम ऑफ द ईयर में मैनर सादी ने डाल दिया उसको.
हाँ, उसमें एक चेंज आई थी मेरे दिमाग में, वो मैंने तुमसे डिस्कस करनी है इसके बाद.
डिस्कस करते. तुम कोई न्यूजीलैंड का बंदा डाल.
नहीं, बाद में.
या क्योंकि न्यूजीलैंड बोले बॉयज पागल हो गए रन्स मार के.
वेस्ट इंडीज.
Yeah. Also in the spirit of Ben Stokes, बेचारा केविन हॉज He copped a blow on the nuts.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the baby maker. जो उसकी वो squeal आई थी ना उसके बाद, I felt it. I don't know if you guys have ever gotten hit on the nuts before playing cricket or not, but I have, and I get that squeal.
क्रिकेट खेलते हुए नहीं वैसे ही लगे तो बंदे की जान
हाँ, मगर खास तौर पे जब आपके सामने एक टेस्ट लेवल का बॉलर आ रहा हो ना, बॉक्स और नो बॉक्स, you're done, bro. Feel for Kevin Hodge over there. Anyway, so new ball wicket in the sense that you really need to capitalize with the new ball, and then day 3 onwards, the ball started to really rag for Nathan Lyon.
spin on offer,
He
bro.
started to get lots of turn.
लेकिन
and
वो फिर वो Will Jacks
exactly.
था ना,
Will Jacks is not even like half the bowler, or Nathan Lyon is probably 5 times the bowler that Will Jacks is.
more than 5 times, bro.
Yeah.
More than 5.
कहाँ उन
Lion is off spinners, man, one of the best ever.
someone who is a bit of a one-trick pony in the sense that he relies on overspin
Yeah.
and his bounce
Yeah.
and accuracy.
That's it.
Bus.
That's Nathan Lyon.
That's all he does.
Yeah.
And he has perfected the art to the
Perfection.
point where now Nathan Lyon is the second highest wicket taker for Australia in Test cricket.
It's crazy.
He's eclipsed अपना Glenn McGrath, who lost his shit a bit. वो funny था. काफी शुगल था वो. तो देख लो ना यार, आपने तो फ्रंट लाइन स्पिनर को पिक ही नहीं किया. शोएब बशीर, अपना बैश, अपना लौंडा.
क्या पूरे इंग्लैंड में
I mean जफर गौहर को करो फिर. दो सिटीजनशिप.
टॉम हार्टली था इससे.
Tom Hartley किधर है? Why has the world emotionally moved on from Tom
I
Hartley?
don't know, bro.
Where did he go?
He was much better than
He
Bash.
did all right.
He was much better than Bash.
Yeah. Shoaib Bashir also probably, has, given that he was not experienced at all, उसने भी उतना बुरा नहीं किया, although I don't rate him, but I always
then
said that
again,
he's young.
he's young.
He's really young, he could develop. अब क्या करेगा वो? Now that they've lost faith in him, he'll go back to Somerset where he's not the first choice spinner. Jack Leaches. Okay? Fuck, man!
हम पाकिस्तान क्रिकेट पे मुझे इतनी फ्रस्ट्रेशन नहीं होती जितनी इंग्लैंड की टेस्ट टीम पे हो रही है.
अब वो ज़्यादा टेस्ट मैचेस में नहीं जीते ना पाकिस्तान से. They've overtaken Pakistan.
Yeah, in Australia. बैश को अगला मैच मिलेगा.
अब तो मिलना चाहिए.
I think दोनों खिला दो अब.
Rob Barron told me a story कि Ben Stokes said कि run पे जा रहा हूँ मैं, team building exercise, but it's optional. 3 people showed up.
Nice. Very nice.
Bash, Jamie Smith, and one more guy that I cannot remember. तो यहाँ पे सूरत हाल है. Bro, even the commentators had checked out Saadi in this test match. They didn't know what to talk about. There were countless references to plum chicken. पता नहीं क्या Adelaide Oval में plum chicken बन रहा है, मैंने खाना है. It's on my bucket list now. I'm going to have that plum chicken one day.
One day, bro.
And then Skull, Kerry O'Keefe, he's a funny guy.
He's a very funny
Skull
guy.
is hilarious. He started giving movie references. There were times where the commentary box was discussing Kindergarten Cop.
Yeah.
No Country for Old Men.
No.
क्योंकि I think वो Weak Men Stokesy ने बोला था ना, तो उसने No Country for Weak Men type कोई joke मारा. And then Basic Instinct.
Yeah.
He covered all the genres.
देखी होगी.
देखी होगी. शायद थोड़े छोटे हो Basic Instinct के लिए. Yeah, but Sharon Stone and Demi Moore.
Yeah.
Back when we were kids.
Yes, sir. अच्छा हाँ.
Yeah, anyway.
बहुत weird.
पता नहीं कहाँ चले गए. Zaid बेचारा यहाँ पे scandalize हो गया होगा. Yeah. कहाँ थे हम? हाँ, even the commentators had checked out. And I mean, if England can just manage to hold on to their catches, maybe the series could have been different.
Or do something with the ball. Scotty Boland को देखो. What did he do?
इस स्कॉटियां
एक जगह पे पिच करता गया.
Scotty B in this game has figures of 3 for 45 in his first outing and 1 for 35 after that. So he's basically taken 4 wickets for 80 runs. But if you watched him bowl, he was one of the best bowlers on display. ये मैंने पिछले टेस्ट में ही बात की थी के साथ ही. Scotty Boland hasn't taken a lot of wickets, but how do you play that guy?
You cannot play him.
Yeah.
You cannot play.
They cannot play him.
ये वाले पोस्टर ले लो और इसको स्कॉटी बी से रिप्लेस ना करते हो.
Yeah. अब देखो ना इस टेस्ट मैच पे कितना कंप्लीट बॉलिंग अटैक था ऑस्ट्रेलिया का. What did they do? Especially Scotty Boland and Patty Cummins.
Just pitch it in the right area and consistently वहाँ पे pitch करो जहाँ पे इंग्लैंड के bowlers spraying it wayward throughout the series.
Yeah.
Bryden Cars.
Bryden's arse right now.
My God.
Yeah. Very RC bowling.
Horrible bowling lineup.
Yeah. मतलब एक तो मैंने कहा ना कि they picked the wrong kind of attacker. It was far too one-dimensional. Barring Jofra Archer, who brings some X factor. उसमें तो करेंगे बात. Jofra को कुछ बोल नहीं सकता. जितनी घटिया बातें की है ना.
बैटिंग के साथ भी नहीं कुछ बोल सकता Jofra.
नहीं, he copped a lot of criticism, so he responded well. But अब आता हूँ उसके ऊपर. Bryden Cars is not a new ball bowler, sorry.
He's not a bowler. हाँ, new ball.
New ball bowler तो है ही नहीं बिल्कुल भी. ठीक है, he's the second highest wicket taker in the series and.
Yeah, he's at best the third best bowler in the. जब भी आप टीम खिला रहे हो ना, मैं उसे थर्ड पे रखूं.
But Bryden Cars,
अगर कोई बंदा एक्स्ट्रा बोल करवाने के लिए चाहिए तो कार्स रख लो.
Bryden Cars, Josh Tongue, Ben Stokes, they're all the same kind of bowler. It's too one-dimensional. एक Jofra X factor के लिए, and then you've got Will Jacks, the non-spinner. ठीक है, so एक तो वो आपने मैसअप किया, but then maybe you can look at what the opposition team is doing. As you said,
थोड़ा सा सीख लो.
हाँ, Scotty Boland and Pat Cummins in particular, they continued to bowl in that corridor of uncertainty over and over and over again. Good length ball, attack the stumps, attack the outside edge.
एक आधा निप बैकर, वरना एक ही जगह बॉल कर रहे हो, आउट स्विंग कर रहे हो, फिर एक निप बैकर.
Wobble seam पे rely कर रहे हो, एक ही जगह पे पिच कर रहे हो, even though the surface was good for batting, good bowling got the best of England. ठीक है, और वो पिछले मैच में विकेटें फेंकी होंगी ज्यादा, इसमें तो हैरी ब्रुक ने फेंकी है, the reverse sweep. जैक रॉली ने भी एक दफा फेंकी है, मारा था वो शॉट और स्टंप हो गया. जेमी स्मिथ को कह सकते हो आप, बट स्मिथ डिड ऑलराइट.
He did alright, लेकिन विकेट तो फेंकी.
But Australia threw away more wickets. If you look at the first innings, ज्यादातर तो लोगों ने फेंकी है. वेदरऑल ने नहीं फेंकी, ख्वाजा ने फेंकी, कैम ग्रीन, मार्नस.
ख्वाजा दो, कैम ग्रीन या ख्वाजा दो, he was impressive.
यार उस्मान ख्वाजा wasn't even supposed to play this test match. इसकी यही किस्मत चलती है हमेशा.
मुझे तो लग रहा था कि खत्म होने वाला है उसका टेस्ट करियर.
All the talk was around whether or not Khwaja is going to play for Australia again, whether his test career is over or not, and he comes out there and performs.
Yeah. Last minute replacement for Steve Smith.
Yeah. Is Steve Smith
playing in the middle order?
Yeah, didn't even open. Batting out of position at number 4, scores 82 followed by 40, throws his wicket away, but that doesn't matter.
That doesn't matter.
Third win for Uzi at age 39. His birthday happened during this test match. ठीक है, और वो देखो आकर आपको ठोक गया यार. मतलब और ख्वाजा तेज खेले. He played brisk.
It was so weird.
शुरू में he was stuck, then they dropped him. He was on 6 when Harry Brook dropped him in the slip cordon.
और catches drop करो, head का भी करो.
बिल्कुल करो. Then Khwaja counter attacks. Then he shuts up shop again, and then he attacks a bit more. 82 runs, brisk knock. उसके बाद 40 भी उसका brisk था. कर क्या रहे हो आप? You start feeding his hip. Have you guys not watched Usman Khwaja bat?
और any batter हिप्स जो होती है ना, वो सबसे इजी पॉइंट होता है मारने.
वो झूठ नहीं बोलती.
नहीं बोलती.
Yeah, hips don't lie, baby.
शकीरा से पूछो.
हाँ, but Usman Khwaja, if you followed his career, you know that he loves the pull shot. उसकी pet shot है pull shot. Why are you feeding him hip high friendly deliveries to pull? फिर Will Jacks को आप लाते हो, तो मैंने कहा, oh, do they want Khwaja to sweep now? And he swept. I know Will Jacks gets him out both times, मगर वो ख्वाजा की भी कुछ गलतियां वहाँ पे. But I don't understand what the plans were. But they were just really, really off, and I'm surprised कि Stokesy, who I actually rate as a captain,
this isn't test cricket.
They were outthought. Whether the opposition team captain is Steve Smith or Patty Cummins.
इतनी गलतियां नहीं कर सकते आप.
अच्छा, catches पे आते हैं. ठीक है.
Catches.
Khwaja dropped on 6 by Harry Brook. Scores 82 in that innings. 76 runs. ठीक है, गिनना शुरू करो. 76 runs.
Okay.
Alex Carey, जिस पे उस पे भी आना है.
Wow.
52 runs पे था वो when Bryden Cars drops him at short cover. Ends up scoring 106. So that's 54 runs.
Yes, sir.
76 plus 54, 130.
130.
Travis Head in the third innings, batting on 99. Harry Brook once again drops him at gully. 2 drops for Harry Brook out of 3. He scores 170.
Yeah,
71 runs. So that's 201 runs.
Yes,
or
sir.
you know that's a lot more than 201 runs, right? Like वो exact figure नहीं है. England lose by 82 runs. In the previous game, they dropped 5 catches. Yeah. On the other hand, Australia are barely missing an opportunity.
This has been exceptional in the field.
Marnus activated Superman mode in the slip cordon.
Marnus and overall उनकी ground fielding, यार कमाल.
Do you know England don't have a fielding coach?
यार
and I'm surprised that Baz McCullum, someone who was an
I did not know that. मेरा meter out हो गया.
Yeah, elite fielder himself, Baz McCullum. New Zealand की भी fielding हमेशा से बड़ी तगड़ी रही है. But नहीं, you know what's more important than having a fielding coach, Sadi?
Playing golf,
going to Noosa for the beach holiday, which was booked very well in advance. ठीक है, वो चीजें ज्यादा जरूरी होती है. Tim Southee gets a Royal T20 contract. He's gone, not bowling coach anymore. Jimmy क्यों नहीं था? Who's the one guy who if he's not playing, who can tell the guys कि कौन सी length करानी है और किधर बार-बार एक ही जगह पे ball करानी है? But no, England wanted to bowl short and wide and just bowl filth consistently. Bryden Cars,
3 test matches, same.
I know Bryden Cars is second highest wicket taker in this Ashes, or even in this one he takes what? What are his figures, Sadi?
I don't know, bro.
Yeah, Carsey bowling the thee, but he takes 2 for 89 in like 16 overs, so he goes for plenty.
And 3 for 80.
Yeah. 3 for 80, chalo, in the third innings, I'll give him some marks because when he gets the second new ball, he finally figures out how to bowl with the new ball. This is a guy who's bowled like 20 odd overs in county cricket with a new ball, so he's not a new ball bowler.
Not at all.
Usko pata nahi kya zimmedari de di hai. ठीक है, he takes 5 wickets for 169 runs, but dude, Cars was so consistently short and wide, he was getting swing on offer on day 1. Didn't use it. यार अगर आपने एक जगह पे थोड़ी bowling कराई और वो फंस रहे हैं, what is telling you or who is telling you to start bowling a short? And Australian batters are generally so good on the cut and pull. उनको पिला रहे हो आप बोले. You are wasting the new ball.
Plans ही नहीं है ना.
Josh Tongue बेचारे को मैं फिर थोड़े marks
हाँ,
दूंगा.
so he was alright.
This is the most disciplined I've seen Josh Tongue bowl. He took 1 for 64 in his first outing, जो कि by the way उसकी ज्यादा विकेट्स हो रही थी, कैच भी छूटता है उस पे. ख्वाजा को उसी ने आउट किया था और ख्वाजा को तंग किया हुआ था उसने. And I thought he deserved more wickets in that innings. He gets 4 for 70 in the third. उसको भी they're not using him as the tail sweeper, tail hoover.
जो कि उसने किया है अभी तक अपने टेस्ट करियर में.
He bowled well. He did land the ball consistently in the same area, and 1 for 64 and 4 for 70 is a good effort. Baki Stokesy in the first innings was horrific. Horrendous.
वो अब कभी ना कभी तो गंदी परफॉर्मेंस आनी थी स्टोक्सी से.
Wicket ही नहीं आई. He went wicketless in the first innings.
वरना throughout the year देखा जाए तो उनका बेस्ट टेस्ट बॉलर स्टोक्सी था इस साल.
बिल्कुल. That tells you a story. And Stokesy बेचारा ठीक है, he's allowed one poor bowling innings, but he was wicketless in the first innings, and in the third innings, finally on day 4, he's the one who sets the tone. He actually starts landing the ball in the same area.
Same area, yeah.
Over and over and over again, and he gets that wicket वो जो कैरी को किया था उसने strangle. And after that, the floodgates open, and England do well. Australia were like 310 for 4, 359 all out. But Australia should have never gotten 371 in the first innings in the first place.
खैर, best bowler for England was Jofra Archer.
Yeah, Jofra से खिलाफ मैं कुछ tolerate नहीं करूँगा.
करना भी नहीं चाहिए.
We know that his bowling, or sorry, you know that his body is not built for Test cricket.
Bro, 3 टेस्ट मैचेस खेल गए on the trot. मुझे नहीं लग रहा था ये खेलेगा.
नहीं, मुझे भी मुश्किल लग रहा था और kudos to him for pulling through. And you know, people were making some bizarre comments. I saw Ryan Harris's comment in particular,
I didn't see
who said that Jofra should take off the gold chain and maybe he'll bowl faster. That's very wrong, man.
It's a bit racist.
That is a bit racist.
Yeah.
I don't think Ryan Harris gets a free pass for that at all. And Jofra responded exactly the way he should have. He bowled fast when there was something going on in a heat wave. Proper heat wave.
Proper heat wave,
ठीक है? 5 for 53 in his first bowling innings, and look at the wickets as well. He bounces out Weatherald with a purler. बहुत मुश्किल delivery थी against the run of play. Weatherald को उसने bounce out किया. Then right after lunch, he bowls or gets 2 wickets in his first over. Marnus and Cam Green. अब उसमें कुछ उनकी भी गलती है, कुछ सरफेस भी उस टाइम पे 2 पेस थी. ठीक है? Within 3 balls he gets those 2
जोफ्रा ने
wickets.
लिए अच्छी ली.
Ultimately he gets Stark's wicket as well. He cleans him up और फिर लाइन को LBW लेता है. मगर फड्डा पड़ गया था जॉफ का.
Yeah.
देखा था तूने? स्टोक्सी से फड्डा हुआ.
हाँ, वो देखा मैंने देखा था.
When he cleans up Stark and Stokes is like, यहाँ पे करानी थी ना bowling.
क्या कर रहे हो उससे?
Why are you feeding him width? और Stark he latches on to width. पहले से यहाँ पे कराओ, स्लिप तो है नहीं तुम्हारे पास. वो भी कार्स भी over the wicket आ रहा है. भाई तू round the wicket आ. Sorry, उल्टा क्या मैं? Round the wicket आ रहा है तो over the wicket आ. So there were some really weird things over there, but khair, 5 for 53 for Jofra.
And with the bat as well, Jofra yaar.
Come on. I
mean,
mean,
test 50.
yeah, first time ever in Test cricket, he scored a half century, 51 valuable runs, strings
Very,
up that,
very valuable run.
strings up the 105 run partnership with Stokesy.
Yeah.
Even in the third innings, he bowls like 12 point something overs, goes for just 20 runs,
Yeah.
so he's
He-
economical.
He was really good.
Picks up a wicket as well. So for him, it's what, 6 for 73 in the game with a 50, 51.
Great performance.
Jofra को कुछ नहीं
was
कह
their
सकता.
best performer.
The dog that Ben Stokes was referring to prior to the game, that we've got to show that dog inside of us, वो तो Jofra ने दिखाया.
Jofra ने ही दिखाया.
हाँ, he responded brilliantly to the criticism.
खैर बेन स्टोक्स खुद खेला बड़ा अच्छा है लेकिन खैर उसके बेसबॉल नैरेटिव से completely opposite था, but this is test cricket, this is what you have to do, and Ben Stokes himself with the bat was really good.
I know he's going to cop a lot of slack, not slack, but shtick for
what?
this. Flack.
this-
Flack is the word.
For this innings or for the whole debacle?
देखो, England anti-baseballed.
हाँ, अपने नैरेटिव से डिफरेंट खेला है, लेकिन अगर इसको सिर्फ मैं टेस्ट इनिंग्स की तौर पे देखूं ना तो he was really good.
Stokesy के best knocks इसी तरह आते हैं, by the way. He soaks up the pressure at the start, even at Headingley. He did the same.
Headingley, yeah,
ठीक है, and
same.
then he goes berserk. Look, England were 8 down for 168 in the second innings of this test.
yeah.
ठीक है, Australia had scored 371. They were more than 200 runs behind. That's where Jofra and Stokes stitch up a 105 run partnership for the 9th wicket.
थोड़ा करीब ले आए.
Yeah. England does end up with 286 runs and Australia led by 85.
Yeah.
So you're thinking to yourself, कि अच्छा, so if they bowl them out for 200 odd, this is on.
This is on.
If there's one team who can chase a target down, it is England.
Yeah.
Although अब मैं उस narrative को question करूंगा,
Yeah.
क्योंकि यहाँ पे वही 2 years ago or a year ago, if you had told me कि 435 कर सकती England chase, मैं कहता हाँ शायद कर सकते हैं. अब मैं कहूँगा नहीं.
Yeah.
वो भी खास तौर पे जब लायन को स्पिन भी मिल रही हो. He was getting that ball return and yeah.
नहीं, bro नहीं.
खैर,
ये प्लेयर्स की टेक्निक ही नहीं है. Not for test cricket.
This knock by Stokesy where he ends up playing or facing 198 balls and he scores 83 runs. So he was 83 of 198 ultimately, but his 50, his half century comes in 159 deliveries.
Yeah, his slowest ever.
Slowest ever in his career.
Yeah.
And that is anti-Baz bowling. और उसके लिए देखो दो narratives हैं. एक तो none of your teammates are even lasting 50 deliveries. तो चलो मैं 198 खेल गया. मैंने 159 balls से 50 की. I'll stick it out over there. I'll show some resistance. And I admire the resistance. I don't mind that.
At least 5वें दिन तक तो ले गया.
हाँ, मुझे वो चीज तो एडमायर मैं करूंगा स्टोक्स की कि चलो उसने कुछ प्रोलॉन्ग किया इनएविटेबल को. बट देयर इज अ काउंटर आर्गुमेंट ओवर हियर व्हिच रॉब बैरन ब्रॉट अप यस्टरडे ऑन गुड एरियाज. ही वाज लाइक यार ठीक है बट यू नो व्हेन द बॉल गोज सॉफ्ट दैट्स काइंड ऑफ व्हेन यू स्विच इट ऑन. इंग्लैंड डिडंट डू दैट.
England didn't do
दे
that
डिड शट अप शॉप और वो कैपिटलाइज नहीं कर सके सॉफ्ट बॉल के खिलाफ.
But then हाँ ठीक है वो वाली पॉइंट बिल्कुल सही है. लेकिन फिर then again I think ऊपर वाले जो सारे बैटर्स हैं ना उन्हें थोड़ा सोचना पड़ेगा कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं.
Duckett is a big criminal over here.
Duckett is a big criminal. Ollie Pope.
नाम ही नहीं ले रहे उसका.
Joe Root.
The papacy has fallen.
Root still doesn't have a red ball ton in Australia.
Yeah, वो तो अब रहेगा. I know people would bring that up कि pink ball के खिलाफ था. And to be fair, I don't want to kind of berate him, but that 100 does come against Neser and Doggett.
अच्छा चलो यार.
ठीक है. खैर, रूट की क्लास अपनी जगह. He does have an issue versus Pat Cummins though. Proper bunny alert situation.
Proper. कितनी दफा
13. Pat Cummins has removed Joe Root in Test cricket 13 times now. Got him in both innings in this Test, nicking off. और वही करता है Pat Cummins. खैर वही बात है ना, सही जगह पे बॉल कराओगे तो विकेट आ जाएगी. And Australia, let's be fair, their bowling unit was far better than England's.
इंग्लैंड की गलती है इसके.
You cannot compare Stark, Boland, Cummins and Lyon to whatever England field. That's one of the best bowling attacks in the world, even barring or minus Hazelwood. हेजलवुड बेचारा तो उसकी तो किस्मत ही ऑफ हुई हुई है. हर ऑस्ट्रेलियन समर में इंजर हो जाता है.
बस ठीक है. जरूरत ही नहीं ऑस्ट्रेलिया.
Yeah, hopefully he can pull through, man. I want to see a bit more of Josh Hazelwood. I really hope this is in the end. But
I don't think this is the end.
Stokesy has his vigil, 198 ball vigil, scores 83 runs. But I think वो counter argument to a certain extent है थोड़ी valid के when the ball is soft, why didn't you Baz ball? Why didn't you live by your same ethos that you've built over 3 years?
हाँ ठीक है.
एक बड़ी सॉलिड मिसाल है.
मुझे ethos से मसला है.
Ethos से मसला मुझे इसलिए क्योंकि देखो at times when they were on the autobahn, proper highway, they were going at 10-20 miles per hour. And when they were on a countryside road, they were going at high speeds and they crashed and burned. जो पिछले टेस्ट में हमने देखा जो विकेट फेंक रहे थे ड्राइविंग ऑन द अप वर्सेस स्टार्की.
मुझे मसला ही है ना
विद द पिंक बॉल.
मुझे मसला ही है ethos से मसला. ठीक है आपने एक नई टाइप ऑफ अपना नैरेटिव पूरा चेंज किया, सारे टेम्पलेट चेंज की टेस्ट क्रिकेट खेलने की. लेकिन इट्स अ 5-day टेस्ट मैच. अगली टीम जो है वो सब कुछ वो भी फिगर आउट करके आई. यू कैन नॉट जस्ट गो एट 100 miles per hour.
You can't waste a flat deck.
हाँ, you need to be smart about such stuff.
You've got to hold on to your catches, especially when Australia is showing you how to. And you got to train for holding on to catches. You practice. You get a fielding coach.
अच्छा क्या बेस बॉल सिर्फ बैटिंग अप्रोच में आती है कि मारना है, बॉलिंग में कुछ नहीं आती, क्या आता है?
मतलब we saw some really smart manufactured dismissals in baseball throughout history.
मैं वही सोच
The umbrella field.
Yeah, but
you know.
But then again यहाँ पे तो प्लान सिंपल रखने थे. वो नहीं किए.
नहीं, you had to continue to just pitch the ball in the right area. Good areas पे. Yeah. मतलब कराते रहो corridor of uncertainty में. Challenge the outside edge in the stumps over and over. Don't give the batters any room to play with. मगर नहीं भाई यहाँ पे तो Jake Weatherall से कट खाने हैं इनको. Let's check if Usman Khwaja can cut or pull the ball. That's worth a shot, isn't it?
Stupid.
Like we don't know that. The guy hasn't played 85 test matches and shown us his strengths.
खैर बहरहाल ऑस्ट्रेलियन परफॉर्मर्स की हमने कुछ बात करनी है. लेकिन उससे पहले मैं लोगों को बता दूं ना कि जारीज ऑफ द प्रो स्पोर्ट्स पॉडकास्ट कौन होते हैं.
बिल्कुल बताओ तो सही, पिछले वाले में भूल गए थे तो.
वो जो हैं डिस्कॉर्ड पे एक स्पेसिफिक चैनल है जहाँ पे आप बहराम से, मेरे से और बाकी हर एक से जाके वहाँ पे बात कर सकते हैं. हमारी कम्युनिटी का पार्ट बन सकते हैं. 2-3 तरीके हैं उसके. सबसे पहले पेट्रियन जिसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में, वहाँ से बन सकते हैं. इजी पैसा 031936025545 इज द नंबर. बैंक अकाउंट डिटेल चाहिए तो मुझे या प्रो स्पोर्ट्स को डीएम कर दें इंस्टाग्राम या ट्विटर पे और वो मिल जाएंगी. 1500 पर मंथ पे आपको सब्सक्रिप्शन मिलेगी मंथ की. उसके अलावा पूरा जो डिस्कॉर्ड है वो सबके लिए खुला हुआ है. एवरीवन कैन जॉइन एंड टॉक. लेकिन उस स्पेसिफिक चैनल के लिए क्या करना पड़ा?
if you want to talk to myself, Saad, Mahoon, Zaid, Manu, exclusively exclusive, you're going to have to become a Johnny of the podcast. And even if you live under a rock in big 2025 and still don't have online banking, don't worry, we've got you covered. Saad and I both live in Islamabad and our office and studio is located in the E113 Markaz. So come seek us out और मुंह पे मारो 1500 रुपए हमारे. Per 1500 payment, we'll make you a Johnny of the podcast for 1 month. If you gift the Pro Sports Podcast an authentic sports jersey, any team, बस ऑथेंटिक हो, we'll make you Jani the podcast for 6 months. Also, Nomi Parni glasses, साजिद खान की glasses, उस्मान तारिक का bandana and any pink jersey जो कि दी असजद ने, और मैं फिर लाना भूल गया हूँ, उस पे आपको साल के लिए जानी बनाएंगे. Very inclusive community, come become a part of our family. Great stuff happening over there all the time.
उसके अलावा हमारे पोस्टर्स भी खरीद सकते हो.
या खरीदो हमारे posters, खरीदो हमारे posters.
ये शाहीन बाबर वाले भी हैं, उधर इमरान खान.
इधर तो बहुत सॉलिड है यार. पेस स्पेस यार,
नहीं, इधर भी
पाकिस्तान
बहुत सॉलिड थे.
हाँ, बाबर और शाहीन वाले खरीदोगे ना, शादी के पीछे हैं, दिखाओ ना.
वो देखो ना यार, T20 वर्ल्ड कप अगर जीतना चाहते हो,
हाँ,
बाबर और शाहीन जिताएंगे अगर पोस्टर ले लोगे.
उनकी फॉर्म आए वापस, पाकिस्तान
वरना
शानदार
नहीं जीत
खेले.
रहा, वरना नहीं जीत रहा. मैं
तीनों खरीदोगे तो जीतेगा पाकिस्तान. बाकी इधर यार, इफ यू आर नॉट इनटू द करंट परफॉर्मर्स, बारिंग नोमी पॉइंट, बिकॉज़ वो तो बहुत ही खूबसूरत पोस्टर है.
लव यू नोमी पॉइंट.
नोमी पॉइंट तो हमारे दिलों के पॉइंट, मैन मिथ पॉइंट व्हिच द पोस्टर सेज. ठीक है. इमरान खान है ऑब्वियसली, इम्मी के ब्यूटीफुल पोस्टर, आई हैव गॉट इट इन माय स्टूडियो एज वेल. एंड नोमी पॉइंट वाले को भी लाता हूं मैं भी वहां पे. एंड पेस स्पेस यार, पाकिस्तान फास्ट बॉलिंग हेरिटेज, वैकार, वैज, इम्मी एंड शेबी ऑन योर वॉल. व्हाई वुडंट यू वांट दैट, राइट?
यस सर.
खरीदो फौरन. और अभी राणा फहूम का आ रहा है,
राणा फहूम का
और बहुत ही कुत्ता आइडिया आया है दिमाग में.
अच्छा, किस परफॉर्मर पे पहले आए
यार? कैरी पे आओ.
कैरी की बात करनी है, हेड की बात करनी है,
Stuart Broad,
स्टार्की की बात करनी है.
Stuart Broad said that this is the best English team in a while to tour Australia and the worst Australian team. And he's not wrong in the sense कि on form थी England की batting या in form थी. Australia had issues, injuries.
Australia did have issues. They weren't as strong as before. England were as strong as they've ever been in a while.
Yeah, और पता है, देखो, let's first factor in the common knowledge that beating Australia in Australia is an extremely tough gig.
It is.
ठीक है, very few teams have managed it. India ने consistently किया है, 2 दफा on the bounce जीते, मगर पिछली दफा हार गए वो. And West Indies drew that series thanks to Voldemort.
Yes, out of nowhere.
Pink ball Gabba Voldemort. ठीक है, वो कहीं ना कहीं से eke out कर गए वो result. But traditionally, very few teams have been able to defeat Australia and Australia. England ने भी जब वैसे हराया था वैसे जब, तो Tremlett was big, Swan was big.
Tremlett was big.
Yeah, Tremlett still is big. Have you seen Tremlett these days? Mesut Ozil और Tremlett का कोई मैचअप
कराओ bro. Ozil भी क्या, उसने करियर खत्म होने के बाद धूस बना.
या प्रॉपर धूस बन गया. खैर, इंग्लैंड वन साइडेड ही जीती थी, तो जनरली ऑस्ट्रेलिया के अंदर हमें वन साइडेड एशेज ही देखने को मिलती है, रिगार्डलेस ऑफ हू विंस. ठीक है. बट ओवर हियर I've forgotten the point I was going to make. I've remembered it. Stuart Broad makes that comment. Stuart Broad also tells Alex Carey when he stumps Bairstow that no one will remember you. If anything, Alex Carey keeps giving us headlines on headlines on headlines.
Ever since he वो Movenpick के होटल में जब पूल में गिरा था ना, तब से और आज तक जो है ना, कैरी हो रहा है.
वो डुबकी मारनी बड़ी जरूरी थी उसके लिए. He's averaging north of 50.
Baptism होगी अगले की.
I know he was dropped on 52, but look, he also, by the way, before we get to his performance, he nicks the ball, or he says he nicks the ball on 72, and then later he says, yeah, there was a feather edge. Snicko comes under the scanner. Snicko apologizes. England get the review back. However, I do also agree कि Snicko और Ultra Edge के मुकाबले में Ultra Edge से थोड़ा बेहतर है. उनके stocks तो rise हुए होंगे. And technology has its deficiencies. We saw few fair catches जिसपे fingers underneath the ball वाली चीज पे out नहीं दिया. Root survived that way versus Scotty Boland.
Looked out to me.
But then again, वो क्योंकि कैमरा, एक तो कैमरा एंगल्स भी सारे नहीं दिखाते. इनको भी पता नहीं क्या मुसीबत है यहाँ पे. But वो कुछ टेक्नोलॉजी में deficiencies रह जाएंगी. However, I feel like Alex Carey did Snicko dirty over here. I thought there was daylight.
स्टार्क का बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग पॉइंट था. स्टार्क ने बड़ी अच्छी बात की है. स्टार्क ने बोला कि यार why doesn't ICC take ownership of these technologies? और वो क्यों नहीं प्रोवाइड करती ताकि हर जगह कंसिस्टेंटली सेम हो. ये तो हर बोर्ड के ऊपर आ जाता है.
Also, बेचारे स्निको का तो इतना ग्राफ डाउन हो गया कि I think they might tank from here.
This isn't the first time ना. पिछले टेस्ट में भी ये हुआ था स्निको की कंट्रोवर्सी.
बिल्कुल. देखो, if you are seeking the help of technology and technology is failing you, तो सवाल तो उठेगा.
टेक्नोलॉजी का फेलियर है.
But I genuinely feel Alex Carey said what he said when he said he feather edged it to fuck with England.
मैं यही कहने लगा. To fuck with England.
Just to mess with their brains even further. पहले ही उनके लगे हुए हैं और लगा दो. ठीक है, तब जाएं वो. क्योंकि यार मैंने जब बार-बार रिप्ले देखा है, that did not look out to me. There was daylight between the bat and ball. And Carey, क्योंकि उसको पता था कि इंग्लैंड अभी पहले ही लगी हुई है उनकी, तो और आगे मैं लगाता हूँ. एक तो वहां पे he gives you that gem. फिर 106 in his first dig, 72 in his second dig, 178 runs for the test match. Hometown hero. He's from South Australia, and he gave us everything. There was an emotional moment. His father passed away, of course, and he gives that tribute to his dad, and he was looking up to the heavens, was batting like $1 million.
Really good.
Khoobsurat player of the match.
Clutch central, bro.
His keeping is another topic altogether. Flawless. इंसाने, लीरॉय इंसाने.
लोरेंजो इंसीनी स्पेशली जब वो बोलेंड के ऊपर स्टंप्स के ऊपर आ
हाँ
जाता है ना,
भाई.
दैट्स अ डिफिकल्ट थिंग टू
Yeah,
डू.
honestly, I feel like he, on current form, is the best wicketkeeper
Yes.
bat in the world. On
Yeah.
current form. ठीक है?
100%.
And yeah, I mean, look at the way Alex Carey has kind of forged his name into
Yeah.
Ashes history, maiden Ashes done for
Yes,
him.
sir.
Jokes on Stuart Broad. Ironically, he is in the com box.
Yes.
Yeah.
हाँ, मजा आया ना.
फिर giving us that brilliant moment, bowling filthy. बड़ा मजा आया. जिसको नहीं पता ना,
Yeah.
Nathan Lyon, when he was dropped for the Gabba test
Yeah.
and they interviewed him, he was like absolutely filthy. Yeah, and then Alex Carey started calling him filthy. That was brilliant. और ये टीम कल्चर का थोड़ा आइडिया देता है
हाँ.
आपको. It's a fun
Fun,
bunch.
yeah.
They don't वो छोड़ते नहीं एक दूसरे को.
हाँ.
उनको कोई चीज मिल जाए तो
ऐसे ही होता है ना, फन.
हम दोस्तों में यही नहीं करते. ठीक है, यही हो रहा होता है.
तुम
यहाँ पे.
थोड़ा ज्यादा कर देते.
तुमने जब ओजी आए बोला था, मेरे को 3 दफा ओजी आए बोला था उसी शो
बार बार बोले जा रहा था.
खैर, love the fact that Alex Carey is scoring
Yeah.
clutch runs, and
Carey was great, so was Travis Head.
Travis Head is the leading run scorer in this Ashes series. He hasn't even batted.
Ashes बोल दिया तुमने?
Ashes बोल दिया.
Ashes बोला.
Ashes. अच्छा, तुम भी पीछे पड़ गए. Look,
सही
top,
बोला करो ना. Ashes क्या होता है?
top run scorer Travis Head. He threw away his wicket in the first innings. 10 पे था, and that's a spectacular catch by
yeah.
Crawley. By the way, they dropped 3 catches which were really important, but Crawley का catch भी अच्छा था वो वाला one-handed take. Cars took a good
Cars,
catch. Cam Green वाला. But anyway. So yeah, Head का सब यही बात करें कि okay, why isn't Khwaja opening now that he's back?
क्योंकि हेड ये करता है.
हेड ने कर दिखा दिया. फिर हेड ने Trav ball thumped Baz ball.
खत्म.
Trav ball eliminated Baz ball. क्यों उन्होंने Baz ball ही नहीं किया.
Yeah.
They didn't Baz ball. And I mean, Travis Head is an enigma. You cannot talk about his form ever because he will pull a rabbit out of the hat.
हाँ.
Yeah.
Clutch again, clutch.
He scored-
जब भी सबसे ज्यादा crucial moment होगा, Travis Head will be standing over.
He loves the big occasion, whether it's a World Test Championship final, ODI World Cup knockouts, an Ashes series, Border Gavaskar Trophy. ये बहुत चलता है और Adelaide Oval में तो ये हमेशा ही चलता है. He is probably currently South Australia's favorite son.
Yeah, 100%.
Love Alex Carey, but he's got nothing on Travis Head. Travis Head was on. He replaced the KFC Colonel, right? वो advertising कर रहे हैं head की शक्ल के साथ.
वाह.
KFC Colonel की जगह. That's a great honor. His parents must be really proud, right? Colonel Sanders को depose कर दिया उसने. Yeah, that is big, bro. But yes, I mean, the way they kept feeding him deliveries as well to just throw your hands at width, Trav.
मार, bro.
Pale. Catch दे रहे हो 99 पे, we'll drop it.
हाँ, तो
Yeah.
करो और 71 more runs add करो.
Someone should really get Harry Brook to field in the training sessions, honestly.
Fielding coach अगर होता तो
when
शायद
he's
कोई कर
not playing golf or not playing beach football.
or just not going
Yeah.
for an optional run, which he isn't.
Apparently, on that trip to Noosa, no one talked about cricket.
Nice.
Yeah, that's exactly what you should be doing.
ऐसे ही होना
Yeah,
चाहिए ना, refresh होना है
Exactly.
आपने.
And that's how you over prepare.
After two humiliating losses.
Oh, तुमसे तो बोला नहीं जा रहा humiliating.
नहीं निकला humiliating. तीसरी वाली भी तो आनी है ना, bro.
Yes. खैर, अब क्या ही कह सकते हैं. Look, Travis Head is one of the most entertaining cricketers around these days. For me, he's the best all-format batter because he's just invincible.
Yeah.
Even though he was batting out of position, opening the batting, और मुझे लगा था कि शायद आगे जाकर feasible ना हो. उसने कहा नहीं रुक जाओ, खल जाओ तुम.
मैं आ गया हूँ.
Yeah,
Game
yeah.
में आ गया हूँ.
He scored 11 tons now in Test cricket.
Yeah.
2 of them in this series.
Yeah.
4 of them at the Adelaide Oval. हर साल उसका Adelaide Oval में पक्का है 100.
Yeah.
170 मारा गया of 219 deliveries. Like I said, Trav ball, thumps, Baz ball, and I mean, England भी यार घुटने टेक देते हैं ना. एक एक्सेप्टेंस आ जाती है कि ओके मारते रहते हैं. Let's not
यही करते
try something different. Let's not take our catches. That doesn't matter. Beach football matters.
Yeah.
The cigars and whiskeys matter that we will celebrate
वो
with.
तो बहुत ज़्यादा.
Partying is the route to play good cricket.
Yeah, that is.
Preparation is secondary. Let's party. ठीक है. उसी की तो बात कर ली थी.
उसी की बात कर ली. Starkey, bro.
यार Mitch Stark, even though he didn't take many wickets in this test,
Bro, बैट के साथ.
बैट के साथ back-to-back test half centuries for the first time in his career. या ऊपर से Alyssa Healy on comms.
Yeah.
सब कुछ चल रहा है.
सब कुछ चल रहा है, bro. जिंदगी सेट है.
अब सादी ने कहा था रेपिटेशन हो जाएगी, but I really think this needs to be said again. For a guy who's nearing 36 years of age to be bowling or cranking it up to 140 plus consistently is incredible. I haven't seen it. क्योंकि बाकी जो करते हैं वो इंजर हो जाते हैं.
इंजर हो जाते हैं, कुछ 36 तक नहीं खेल सकते.
स्टार्क नहीं इंजर होता यार. When is the last time you've heard कि Mitch Stark is injured?
नहीं, खैर वैसे आज तुम्हारा एंटी जिक्सिंग डे चल रहा
anti-jinxing
है. जो
चल रहा
ये
है.
बोल रहे हैं वो हो ही जा रहा
मैंने कहा शादाब विकेट लेगा बोल्ड.
उसी बॉल पे बोल.
या वही दस्ती. मैंने कहा .4 कोई पूरा सीक्वेंस ना चल जाए. हो गया.
.4.
But anyway, back-to-back 50s for Starkey.
Oh, sir, Garfield Sobers Award तो यही है, bro.
इसका ही बनता है.
हाँ.
54 with the bat in that innings, and then he takes 1 for 61 and 3 for 62.
Wow.
It's only 4 wickets, but 1 for 61 mein it's the snake back delivery to Stokesy. with the new ball.
Stokesies का बनी है।
अगर रूट कमिंस का बनी है,
ये स्टोक्सीज का।
स्टोक्सी तो पक्का स्टार्क का बनी है। वो ओडीआई वर्ल्ड कप वाली विकेट नहीं
बस
भूलती मुझे।
तब से ही शुरू हुआ,
बोल्ड ही होता
तब
रहता है।
से शुरू हुआ।
एंड देन स्टोक्सी के रिएक्शंस जो होते हैं ना when he gets out,
exaggerated,
या कि उन्हें कैसे आउट हो गया भैया, ये वो तो बेस्ट बॉल पड़ गई मुझे दुनिया की। खैर, वाज अ गुड बॉल,
it was a great
और
ball.
वो स्नेक बैक डिलीवरी उसकी है भी पक्की स्टार की। बट 1 for 62 में एक स्टोक्सी विकेट थी इन क्रूशियल, एंड देन
161.
1 for 61 में स्टोक्सी विकेट थी, एंड देन 3 for 62 वाली एफर्ट में इन द फोर्थ इनिंग्स ही गेट्स जेमी स्मिथ।
Yeah.
And Jamie
Jamie
Smith,
Smith
yeah,
was looking good.
Honestly, I don't want to berate Jamie Smith. That 60 was counter-attacking. It was good.
Yeah.
He was making use of the short or the soft ball.
Yeah.
ठीक है, जो बाकी उन्होंने नहीं किया। I know Will Jacks बॉल के साथ अच्छा नहीं था, मगर उसकी गलती भी नहीं है।
उसकी
नौकरी नहीं है।
रोल ही नहीं होना चाहिए ये।
उसकी नौकरी
ये
नहीं
तो
है ये।
इंग्लैंड की गलती है, उसे एज अ बॉलर खिला
उसकी रेजिस्टेंस बुरी नहीं थी when he scores 47 और कार scores 39. So England fight back, but it was far too late for anything.
Yeah,
और वो
खत्म था वो।
catches जब छोड़े थे वहीं पे मैच हार गए थे। Even if they bowled filth, catches ही पकड़ लेते ना 2 मैचेस में,
so
they could have actually won all 3 test matches. पर्थ वाला जीतना चाहिए था, ठीक है, that's the one that got away.
Yeah, that's the one that
और
got
बाकी दोनों में कैचेस पकड़ लेते तो
Catches
बहुत
पकड़
फर्क होता है यहाँ पे सीन।
अब थोड़ा सा सीरियसनेस शो कर लो ना, थोड़ी सी एक्चुअल में ट्रेनिंग कर लो अगर, तो शायद कुछ हो ही जाए।
उनके जो होल्स हैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया के, उन पे जरा कैपिटलाइज करो या एक्सप्लॉइट दोस होल्स। बट या हम अभी किसकी बात,
अगर मैं इंग्लिश फैन होता ना, मैं इस वक्त तपा होता।
सादी, you talked about how Stark is a prime contender for the Garfield Sobers Award this year.
100%.
Can you quickly check the number of wickets now? 2025 because I remember he had taken his wickets at 70 apiece this year. It is his best year in Test cricket thus far. वो भी 2025 में at the age of 36, and I feel like he's only getting better with age. England had one of those guys as well who was getting better with age. So
Getting better नहीं, लेकिन he was consistently good with age.
yeah. and you know, he could have bowled the ball in the exact same spot over and over and over again. He could have added a bit variety to that pace bowling attack as well and not made it so one dimensional like it is now.
Shaji in 2025,
25.
20 innings, 51 wickets,
Okay.
17.15 average, and strike rate of 28.7.
Damn, bro, that is phenomenal. I know he plays in Sri Lanka and the West Indies, तो वो सीरीज उसको हमेशा हेल्प करेंगी, और खास तौर पे वेस्ट इंडीज। बट अगेन इन दिस एशेस ही इज बीन इनफॉलेबल। जहाँ पे बॉल के साथ उतनी विकेट नहीं ले रहा है, यहाँ पे 50 ठोक रहा है वो। उसके 54 रन बड़े क्रूशियल हैं, और वो इंग्लैंड की गलती है कि वो सही था पता स्टोक्स, क्यों उसको पिलाई जा रहे हो बॉलिंग। और अगर वाइड ही करानी तो स्लिपे रखो।
Year by year का अगर breakdown देखें ना, तो 2025 has been his most successful in terms of wickets
And average.
and strike rate.
51 wickets at 17 apiece with a strike rate of 28 is unreal,
Yeah.
otherworldly. And I am the guy who is always like mid-stock with the red ball. I have my hesitations, reservations.
बोलती बंद।
Chup, sealed, फेंक दिया मैंने। देखो, it's the best he's ever bowled in Test cricket. These numbers prove that. ठीक है, there's no arguing with that. ठीक है. I know Bucker will get pissed at this, but he is the greatest pink ball cricketer of all time.
He is.
He is. I don't. जितना भी sample size हो उसको consideration में तो लेना है। बाकी भी तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया के bowlers हैं जो साथ खेलते हैं वो वाले।
लेकिन Stark
is Stark.
currently what he's doing in Test cricket, मैं नहीं सोच सकता था कि इस साल इतनी एज में आके ये करेगा यार।
If it's not swinging, he goes to the wobble seam delivery.
Lovely.
He's got all these weapons. His body is still not giving up on him.
And plus clutch runs with a bat, bro.
Clutch runs with the bat. अच्छा, receding hairline वाला भी एक शशका है।
हाँ।
Do you know about Walton Goggins?
नहीं।
यार वो देखा तूने White Lotus?
नहीं।
The Hateful Eight?
नहीं।
तुम शक्ल देखोगे ना वॉल्टन गॉगिंस की, तुम समझ जाओगे। सही है।
देखता हूँ।
He's
क्या
in
नाम
his
था?
Walton Goggins.
Walton Goggins.
Jared and I were discussing him, and Jared was like, he's in his Walton Goggins era, and I cannot get that image out of my head
Yeah.
since then. ठीक है?
हाँ।
I'd give him the
seen this
Sobers
guy,
Award.
yeah.
पक्का Sobers Award Starkey का बनता है। And yeah, 22 wickets in the series, runs with the bat, commitment in the field. What's not to like, baby? एक स्टार्क और हेड ही हावी हो गए। बाकी किसी को कुछ करने ही नहीं दे रहे बस।
जरूरत ही नहीं है।
I cannot remember the last time someone bowled as well as Scotty Boland throughout 3 tests
and not get so many wickets.
He's not been amongst the wickets as much.
मैंने लास्ट टाइम भी बोला था Kagiso Rabada
हाँ.
in Pakistan. He was exceptional. Didn't get many wickets.
So, you know how when the wobble seam delivery is invented or pioneered by Mohammad Asif,
yeah.
Stuart Clark picks it up, Jimmy Anderson picks it up. Jimmy Anderson makes it mainstream, the world catches onto it late. Australia generally believe that nothing good can come out of England when it comes to cricket. They're late to the party. Peter Siddle goes and plays for Essex. Learns the wobble seam delivery, comes back, teaches it to his mates. Victoria का ही player है Scotty Boland. आज देख लो भाई, Scotty ने अन्नी मचाई हुई है।
Siddle जो है अब अभी भी खेल रहा है Big Bash.
खेल रहा है भाई, वो मुक चुका है,
blonde बाल हो गए हैं, bleach.
But again, Scotty Boland's performance is again criminally underrated.
Yeah.
I thought he'd take more wickets, but 3 for 45 and 1 for 35 is also good. Complete bowling performance थी ना. Gaza, filthy lion. अबे देख लो ना फिर फ्रंट लाइन स्पिनर का कितना फायदा होता है. And someone
और क्वालिटी फ्रंट
quality भी तो है ना. अब देखो, you can't just become Australia's second highest wicket taker in Test cricket by doing nothing.
Yeah.
Like we said, one trick pony, but a great trick.
Yeah.
Overspin, control, bounce. Gaza was all over England. पहले ओवर में 2 विकेट.
Yeah.
First over he strikes twice, ends up with 2 for 70 and 3 for 77. 5 wickets in the game. Amazing stuff. It's a pity he won't feature again in the Ashes series, but Kamal.
Australia don't even need him.
Yeah. I mean, well, if they bring in another spinner, Kuhneman and Murphy aren't lion.
Obviously they aren't lion, लेकिन अच्छी बात है ना, उन्हें भी मिल जाएगी.
I suppose, or maybe they won't play a spinner. Maybe they'll finally give a game to Bo Webster.
Maybe.
Yeah.
हाँ.
Patty Cummins की जगह नीसर आ जाएगा. सही है?
या Doggett.
नहीं, नीसर had a Doggett.
I don't know, bro.
I think Neeser bowled better.
Neeser and Scotty B similar pace पे हो जाते हैं.
वैसे मेरी hot take ये कि अब
Doggett
Scotty B मेलबर्न में उड़ा देगा. 10 wickets.
MCG है bro, Scotty B तो आ रहा है.
Build that man a statue, baby.
वो तो आ रहा है bro.
Yeah, the G, his home ground.
Yeah.
मुझे बड़ा पसंद है.
I love him. I love him.
England should probably consider giving Mohammad Abbas citizenship. पाकिस्तान ने तो खिलाना नहीं है, आप लोग ही खिला लो. उस टाइप का बॉलर आपको चाहिए एक. Potts is that kind of bowler, kind of.
इंग्लैंड को एक काम करना चाहिए, घर जाए सोचे कि क्या करना चाहिए.
अच्छा, 4 बैटर्स हैं by the way. Emilio Gay, the Roux brothers.
इटली से चुक लो फिर उसे.
नहीं, वो eventually तो इंग्लैंड के लिए खेल ही जाएगा.
अभी तो खेलेगा.
Emilio Gay, the Roux brothers are really good, and Asa Tribe.
Asa Tribe, yes.
Rob Barron, big fan of Asa Tribe, and he's been scoring runs for the Lions.
Yeah.
यार अब एक ऐसा point आ गया Ashes series के अंदर कि you might as well blood these
I
guys.
think अब टाइम आ जाएगा इसके बाद.
Chuck Asa Tribe in at number 3. Get rid of the man who I must not name. The papacy has fallen. It's over.
Yes, Baba Pope.
Yeah, bye Gaza. Gaza भी bye हो गया यार.
हम भी चलते हैं यार. I think सब कुछ कवर कर लिए.
कोई रह गया.
I don't think bro, सब कुछ कवर कर लिए. मैं बार-बार पढ़ी जा रहा हूँ notes.
मार्नस के कैच भी कर लिए हैं.
सब हो गया.
अच्छा, एक आखिरी चीज है.
डरा क्यों रहे हो?
Patrick Cummins, barely fit.
हाँ.
लग नहीं रही पेस उससे बिल्कुल भी. 125 पे करा रहा था at times. 3 for 69 and 3 for 48 by bowling the same ball over and over again. Got through twice, 13 times overall. And one stat that I really wanted to mention. There are only 2 bowlers in the history of Test cricket who have captained their teams and taken 150 plus wickets as captain. Patty Cummins and Imi K. ठीक है? इस नोट पे कर दे खत्म.
If you like the video, like कर दें, सब्सक्राइब कर दें, शेयर कर दें. हम सबको हर जगह फॉलो भी कर दें. उसके अलावा बूथियां पसंद आई हो तो Spotify, Amazon Music, Apple Podcasts, iHeart Radio,
एक और बात याद आ गई.
Pandora, और जहां चाहें वहां पे जाके सुन ले. और इसकी ये बात भी सुन ले.
Zach Crawley को बड़ा रोनते हैं हम.
He's been good.
He's been all right. He's been England's second highest scorer behind Joe Root in the series. Root के 219 runs है. Crawley's got 214. And his 85 was actually pretty good. It's just that he gets stumped after. So
जब वो खेलता है तो बड़ा अट्रैक्टिव लगता है, लेकिन जैक क्रॉली पे ये एंड नहीं करना था.
यार, और ऊपर से Zach Crawley was cautious.
Yeah.
He was reining himself in. बल्कि पहली इनिंग्स में तो मैंने कहा या तो इसको ये बोला गया कि तुम रेन इन करो, या तो उसकी फट गई कि मेरी जगह जा रही है. But 85 उसका अच्छा था, तो क्रॉली की बात करना जरूरी थी भाई. Zach Crawley is where we end this podcast.
Bye bye. Weird tangent to end it on.
Boy, Gaza.